Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah again. Today we are going to be arranging our closet for our baby girl that is arriving in August. We did purchase some closet units from Lowe's, so we are taking out the previous closet pieces and putting in these new closet organizers. We decided to take off the doors because the closet organizer that we bought has drawers that will be in the center of the closet and we will need to access those regularly. The first step was taking off the closet doors. Next, Brandon removed the brackets, the shelf, and the pieces supporting the shelf. He used a razor blade to cut the seam between the shelf and the pieces that are supporting it. He also used a chisel and a rubber mallet to remove the pieces that were holding the brackets. And lastly, he used a crowbar and a rubber mallet to remove the pieces that were holding the shelf. Before assembling the closet organizers, Brandon and I applied Fast Dry Premium Spackling. This dried for about 30 minutes and then Brandon went back and painted it with the original white paint that came with the house. Next, Brandon and I started assembling the closet organizers. We did buy two sets. One of them is the 20-inch wide tower organizer, and the next one is the 16-inch wide closet organizer. The 16-inch went in the center and then the 25 inches went on both sides. We actually split it in half so that we could put the closet rods on each side. The baby's clothes are super small at this stage, so we decided to place two rods on each side. We will probably change this when the baby's clothes gets bigger. We also purchased and assembled three 16-inch drawers. These are sold separately, so you have to buy them individually. I will list all three of the products in the description below. That way, if you're interested in purchasing any of these for your own home, you can check it out. We might put curtains on the closet later on so that all of the things in the closet are covered, but for now, we are leaving the closet open. Each kit did come with 4 L brackets for secure wall mounting. It also came with 3 expandable hang rods. These can create up to 12 inches of hanging space total. Brandon also used clamps to ensure that all of the shelves were secured to one another. If you like this video or you like our content in general, I encourage you to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you can be notified when future videos pop up. When this video gets posted, there will be about 47 days left until our baby girl arrives. We have a few more things that we want to do before she comes. One of them is putting up the woodland wallpaper that matches her bedroom style and theme, and then we are also going to be doing a woodland animal theme on her name that will be above her crib. So those are two projects to look out for in the next month or two. We are so looking forward to this new chapter in our lives, and we cannot wait to meet her. We hope that you all have a good week, and we will see you next time.